Hey, what's up guys? So the watch face that I'm reviewing today is called Hybrid Atom, and it is a very unique watch face, and it's a kind of a watch face that I've not seen too much on the Play Store. And the reason for that is this moving section in the middle that moves with this seconds hand. It's a very different thing, it's a very different element that I've seen on this watch face. And then this is the always on display version of this watch face where the hand disappears, this turbine that's moving in the middle just kind of stops, and you see the black and white detail of the watch face, and if you tap on it, it comes back to life. Now, looking at the aesthetics, there is quite a bit of stuff that's available on the watch face. We have got analog time here, of course, then below that we have our digital time, and then we have our date here, and then you can also see battery percentage here as well. So here you can actually add complications to this watch face as well. We've got location at the top. Now let's take a look at some of the customization options of this watch face. So here, this one is called Turbine. If you move it, it just kind of disappears. So if you want to keep it, you can keep it, but if you don't like it, you can remove it as well. Next we have Style. So in Style, okay, so you can remove all the information and then just the analog time remains, everything else just disappears in this second option, and in this third one you get back the digital time. So we'll roll with this one. Next we have always on display style. So we've got three styles here, we have already seen one, so I'll select the second one now. And then we have color. You can add colors to these hour markings and give a bit of more character to this watch face. So let's put it at red because it matches the seconds hand. And then finally we have complications that we can also add. So here is a list of all the complications that you can add. Quite a bit of stuff can be added in the complications. So you press OK, and there you go, we have a new style of watch face now. So this is the second always on display version of this watch face. It's a bit different from the previous one, but you still get all the elements and the digital time disappears. But anyways, that was the walkthrough and review of Hybrid Atom watch face. I really like it, it's really sleek, and I like the dark and black theme. So I will put the link of this watch face in the description below so you can check it out, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.